Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 system brightness not changing. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update display adapter driver automatically. Install all optional updates. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Display Adapter, disable and re-enable Display Adapter. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Display Adapter, update driver, click Browse My Computer for driver. Select Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.